Did you know that a sneeze is faster than a car? A sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour, propelling droplets as far as 30 feet. A sneeze is like nature's turbo boost. It can blast out of your nose at 100 miles per hour, faster than most cars on the highway. It's your body's way of saying, "Hold on, I'm about to break the sound barrier." So the next time you sneeze, be sure to have your seatbelts on. Thank you for staying tuned to Interesting Facts with Forever Quotes. Please like and share.